Boy, oh boy, let me tell you, man, it's hot. Hey guys, my name's Noah, and in this video, I'm gonna be welding on my truck with absolutely zero prior experience. All right, let's give this a try. For those of you who don't know, in order to fit larger tires on your Tacoma, you have to do what's called a body mount chop, which is where you pretty much chop off a piece of your body mount bracket and weld on a steel plate, and this will give you a lot more clearance to fit your larger diameter tires. Right now I have 33s, they're actually measuring closer to a 32, but I'm bumping it up to a 34. So this should give me a lot more clearance. So you may be asking yourself, Noah, you've never welded anything in your life. Why don't you just take it to a shop and have them do it? Good question. All right, so first thing we gotta do, get the truck jacked up and get the wheels off so we can start cutting.
We already did that.
Oh. Okay. I feel like welding's a pretty valuable skill, and I really don't want to pay someone else $1,500 when I could just go to Harbor Freight and spend $150 on a welder and learn a valuable skill. I don't know how to weld, but even if I mess it up, I have to take it to the shop and have them fix it regardless, so I might as well learn something. Damn. Rattly sound. All right, so here's our old tire. It says 33 by 12 and a half. A little underinflated right now. And we got just about 32. Here's our new tire. BFGoodrich KO3, 285/75 R17. And we're measuring about 33-ish. So it's inflated. It says it's like 33.8. So quite a bit bigger. Here, come over here. So as you can see, I mean, the height difference is, 3 fingers or so. While I was jacking the truck up, the jack stand came down on my pinky, and I slammed this one in a door the other day. So I'm like 2 fingers down now. That's okay, because I got my brother Nick helping me out today because Ben's not here. So if you guys have been watching the channel, you'll probably be wondering where Ben is. It's been a couple videos now in a row where we're separate. So Ben actually just went through a pretty serious life change. What does that mean? So Ben actually just went through a pretty serious life-changing event. He's okay. He's actually like 3,000 miles away right now in Utah area, just living out of his truck, figuring some life out. But don't worry, Ben will be back, and we'll be back to our normal content, hopefully in the very near future. We'll start putting out our usual camping videos and survival challenge videos. But in the meantime, Ben's actually filming some videos while he's out there living out of his truck. Really appreciate your guys' patience. I know you guys really like the vibe of us too, but today you're just stuck with Nick, so. Pizza time. Oh yeah. Got any beers on you?
A Kolsch Mick.
Kolsch. So the next step is to get the corner of the body mount chopped. And to do that, well, first off, I got these steel plates from Total Chaos Fabrication, and they're custom made to fit right there. So we're pretty much gonna be cutting this corner off and welding this on. I traced this onto a piece of paper, and then I traced the piece of paper onto here. I have a rough line of where I'm gonna cut. So I'm gonna start light, and I can always grind more off if I need to. The only thing I'm worried about is taking too much off and then having to do some serious fill welding, if that's even a term, to get this thing on. So I'm gonna start light and see how it goes. I don't know, kind of scary, but here we go. Okay, careful, Noah.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I gotta put this thing on. I'm not tough enough. All right. All right, so I almost got it. There we go. It's one side cut. Test fit it. I think I gotta take this piece down too, because that's sticking out, but yeah, I gotta shave that guy. It's been about, I don't know, definitely over an hour of cutting and grinding, but I think I got it to a point that's acceptable for me. I don't know. I mean, it fits pretty good. I have a little bit of a gap back here, but I think if I tack this side, I can bend this and then weld and kind of close that gap. But this is acceptable for my standards. Sure, a shop would do it way better and way faster than me, but this is good enough for me. So we're gonna start welding it. All right, so like I said, I picked this thing up from Harbor Freight. It was like 150 bucks. It's a titanium 125 flux core welder. Nothing crazy, but you're gonna see first weld strike on the truck here. So let me get this thing set up and we'll give it a try. All right guys, here we go. Got the welder all set up. If I can just pick up this piece of metal here. And I went ahead, I got the grinder and I tried to clean up as much of this paint and get it down to bare metal as I could. I guess here goes nothing. I think I missed. Messy tack, but I got it tacked. I don't have to hold it anymore. Give this another go here. Then get another tack. Pretty messy, but it's holding so far. I don't know. Let's keep it going. So I'm trying to get this corner flat back here. I'm actually bending the metal. My tack welds are holding so far, so it's a good sign. Wasn't bad. That could definitely be worse.
Not that bad.
This one looks pretty good. Look at that one. That one's not bad. That one's not bad. I'm pretty proud of that one. So also, keep in mind, I have to go really slow because there's a big rubber bushing in here. I kind of got to jump around so I don't heat this up too much and melt that. I don't know. I'm going to start trying to fill in between my tacks. So I just kind of did my first pass and I just gave it a grind. I'm definitely missing a lot of spots they're missing, but I think once I get everything, it'll clean up pretty nice. So I'm gonna do another pass on with the welder. I just cleaned everything up again, so got nice clean metal, and I'm gonna give it another go. I think I got it pretty good. It's not the prettiest. We'll see how it looks. So, I think I got it pretty good. Definitely not professional, but I think it'll hold. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint this black just so it doesn't rust. This took way longer than we thought. It's now midnight, started at like 7:30. So we're gonna call it for tonight and we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, and we're back. So it's actually been a couple of days since I last saw you guys. It's been not even a second for you, but I thought I'd show you guys how this is holding up so far. It's actually pretty good. It's a little dirty in there, but no chips, no nothing, welds holding, so very good news. So before I do the other side, I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of the new wheel and tire setup. So ready for it? Boom! We got the bronze Stealth Custom Series Blaze 10. They're 17 by 8.5 wheels, and they're going on the 285/75 R17 BFGoodrich KO3, and I think they're gonna look sweet against the white truck. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think the bronze looks sick. But so it is a hot one out today, guys. It's in the mid 90s right now, and I'm actually wearing long pants this time. I'm not wearing shorts. And when I start welding, I'm gonna have to put my hoodie on too. So it's hot. I want to get this over with. So let's get the truck pulled in here, and I'll throw together a little montage for you guys of doing the other side. Boy, oh boy, let me tell you, man, it's hot. It's really hot out. But anyway, got the thing grinded down. Plate fits pretty much perfectly. I got a little bit of a gap right here, but if I tack this side, I think I'll be able to hammer it over, weld that, and we should be good to go. But yeah, so I gotta cool off for a second. All right, so got the battery disconnected, got my plate, got my ground hooked up, welder's off, but I'll turn that on, and then we can get going on this side. All right, welder's on, let's do it. Gotta go lefty on this first tack, but let's give it a try. All right, that's on there. Forgot to turn my auto darkening mask on. That sucked. Alrighty guys, so I just finished up the weld on this side. It's looking pretty good, honestly. I think this side came out a lot better than the last side. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it cool down and give it a spray paint to prevent it from rusting, and then we can compare before and after how much clearance I gained, because hopefully I gained something. It's crazy, I went through all of these cut wheels just for this side. I had probably more, I went through more on the other side. Gnarly. The cutting takes a lot longer than you'd think it would. All in all, this side took me less than half the time of the other side, just because I knew what I was doing kind of this time. The other side took about 5.5 hours. This took about 2.5 hours to do the whole thing, so. All right guys, moment of truth. Let's see how much clearance we gained. So as you can see, before we had about 3/4 of an inch to an inch, but now, let's see, we've got almost 2 inches. Probably around 1 7/8 inches we have, which is sweet. All right guys, well that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the style of video. I know it's a lot different than our normal types of videos, but like I said, I really appreciate your guys' patience. Ben and I will be back together soon, and we'll be back to our usual camping videos and survival challenges and all that good stuff that you guys like. So I think I'm gonna end this video here, guys. If you want to see me actually get these tires mounted and see if they actually fit and see how they look, I think I'm gonna make a separate video, and I'll link that in the description, because this one's kind of gone on for longer than I was hoping. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make a separate video of me actually getting the tires mounted and balanced and put on the truck. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you guys very soon. Thank you.